It's cooking time with C. Today's video is a 2-minute microwave flaxseed bread. So let's get this going. Well, first we brought some flaxseed, which I'm going to turn into flax milk. I get this off of Amazon, but you can get these in any market now. The flaxseed. They have two different kinds of flaxseed. They have a dark one, and I usually get the golden one. So I'm taking 1 cup of flaxseed and putting it in my NutriBullet, because I make as much as I kind of think I need for whatever recipe I'm about to do, which I'll be showing you the microwave flaxseed bread. Sorry, it's like a tongue twister for me. I don't know why. So I'm just showing you how fine I grind mine up. I'm telling you, this NutriBullet is another one of those little devices that you just gotta have. So that's that 1 cup or so of flaxseed turned into flax meal. So here's the flax meal, and we're doing a double batch on this. So you see 2 eggs, my normal trio plus 1, baking powder, some butter. Butter makes it better. There's the ingredients down there. So all I did was melt the butter. I'm going to crack open those 2 eggs. And again, just like I'm showing, this is a double batch. I usually use this glass container because it kind of comes out to a size of a sandwich would normally look. So that's why I use it. So, and it comes out, I have to do a double batch for that container that I was showing you I put it in. So scrambling the eggs up. Yes, let's try to be healthy, people. I'm still working at it. I'm not as good, but hey, I gotta promote it for the rest of remind myself to try to be healthy. Family, usually when I want some bread, this is what I do. So I kind of go the healthy route with bread. But I wanted to also note, this has 8 tablespoons of flax meal, but I add 1 extra, which makes 9 tablespoons of flax meal to take away that eggy taste, because otherwise, to me, it has an eggy taste. So I add 1 extra tablespoon, and I was just showing you that I usually make some cheesy bread, almost like cheese sticks or whatever. So you can do anything you want with this. This is the end result. It looks healthy. It looks yummy. Try it out, family. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Bye-bye.